Okay, YouTube, as promised, I'm doing videos on all of the accessories I featured on my previous video. We're gonna look at this puck light LED tap lights, and we're gonna pop this open. I was gonna film it inside my travel trailer, but thought I'd check. Maybe it requires batteries. Most things now come batteries not included, so we'll check it out. Let's see if it came. No, it didn't. That's good to go. That's good to go. Let's go in the travel trailer. Well, here's the bedroom of the trailer. See those two lights on top, overhead lighting. It's just too bright in the middle of the night if I need to get up. And I think this is perfect lumens, brightness, not too bright. And the placement of it, instead of it directly right in front, I'm gonna place it right underneath that cabinet right there. There's two of them, so I'm gonna do his and hers. I think I found my spot. Put on the semi-permanent self-adhesive. I think I'm good to go, but I'm gonna secure it with a screw. There you go. Let me go ahead and mount it. And I think that's perfect. Look at that. I think it's perfect lighting underneath that cabinet. It's pretty. Take a look at that. Nice, almost ambient lighting, mood lighting, which is cool. That's it. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side and go from there. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. If you stumbled onto this channel, don't forget to click subscribe. Click that notification bell. You'll be notified every time I release a new video. Forthcoming videos will be likely more about this trailer and other accessories that I'll be installing. So anyway, thank you so much. Talk to you guys later. Bye for now. If you ever need to change the battery, this is not a permanent installation. It's a slider. And there you go. Change the battery, put it back in place.